What's up everyone, it's CS Adventures here, back with another video, and today we're going to be unboxing and weighing the SLX 12-speed cassette. So let's get into it. I'm going to start by unboxing it here. Now this cassette's going to be going on my Sunjumper Evo that I just got. It should be built up pretty soon. I was thinking of doing the XT, but there was a pretty big price difference and little weight savings. They're pretty much the same product, except one's a little lighter than the other. So I went with the SLX. So nothing else really in the box. Here's the cassette, kind of split into two here. I'll be careful with this. So there's one half, and here's the other. We're gonna keep this together if we can. Make sure we line it up right. I know Shimano has certain kind of threads that have to line up. So we'll skip this part and let's get to weighing. So we got the scale here. Turn that on, and then we'll place this cassette right on top. So this is the 51 tooth cassette, and this comes in at 531 grams. So pretty light. Again, I was okay with spending a lot less for a couple grams of weight. I'm doing a mix of SLX and XT for the drivetrain. So we'll see how this drivetrain goes. I'll definitely update you guys in later videos. But that's going to conclude today's video of the SLX cassette. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.